gang. You already know what time it is. The Don is back in the fucking lab, man. And you don't know what time it is, bro. Yo, that month, it's been a minute since we reacted to some Central C, bro. You know we rock with UK music, bro. You know we rock with Central C, my nigga. The last song we reacted from Central C, I believe it was with him featuring Dave, bro. And you know we rock with Dave as well, bro. Why we haven't been doing UK music lately, bro? Gotta get back on our shit.
Let me get a tea, please.
Is that Whitney Houston? Is that Whitney Houston sample? Or is it a Celine Dion? One of them sample, bro. CRG. Boy, rocking that G Unit. 50 Cent with the fucking Yayo and Tony Yayo and fucking
Yo, you don't wanna see man jump out the skip. Hit a whip skid, make your heartbeat skip. Anytime that your song comes on, we skip. And with the Marleys, not Bob or Skip.
Whoa, Central. Hold on, my G. Let's get my brain calibrated, kid. Let's get my brain calibrated, gang. Come on. I know the boy about to snap. Come on.
Yo, you don't wanna see man jump out the skip. Hit a whip skid, make your heartbeat skip. Anytime that your song comes on, we skip. And with the Marleys, not Bob or Skip.
Yeah, man, you don't want to see us jump out the skip, do the whips, make your art. Oh, all right. The boy spitting off him. Come on. We taking it from the beginning, gang. Come on, the boy snapping. Come on. I guess they get the call the whip skip up there.
Yo, you don't wanna see man jump out the skip. Hit a whip skid, make your heartbeat skip. Anytime that your song comes on, we skip. And with the Marleys, not Bob or Skip. We got the Charlie and the chocolate.
Yo, you don't want us to jump out the skip, do the whip skip and make your heartbeat skip. Anytime the song come on, dog, we skip. And we the Marleys, we don't do skip. Holy shit. He's snapping. Come on.
Chip.
Come on, he's snapping, gang. Come on, he's snapping. Come on, he's snapping. Come on.
Anytime that your song comes on, we skip. And with the Marleys, not Bob or Skip. We got the Charlie and the chocolate chip. Setting up shop like a Costco trip. Surrender your flag cause you're not no crib. Don't be angry at me that you got no hits. You can go
surrender your flag cause you not no crib. Don't be angry at me, you ain't got no hits. That's not man.
ends and they all know sense. You can go ends and they might know you. Try leave London and cross the bridge and ask who he is and they got no clue. I'm a bro, what about you?
Yo, bro. You can go on London Bridge, ask them who he is and they got no clue. Hey! They'll be better centric everybody on the crew, bro. Why you mad? Come on.
Fuck the drill, that's not what I do. I trapped and it changed my life. You trapped and all that you thought was lose. If I don't OD, I'll get killed by a weapon.
I said, fuck, wait, come on. Hold on. Man.
And they got no clue, I'm a millionaire, bro. What about you? Fuck the drill, that's not what I do. I trapped and it changed my life. You trapped and all that you thought was lose. If I don't.
Ooh, man said, fuck the drill, bro. That's not what I do. I trapped to change my life. You trapped and all you bought was news. Ooh, come on, my nigga. Alright.
OD or get killed by a weapon and die of old age. Would they still say that I died as a legend? I'm taking a loss, I don't mind, it's a lesson. I'm the guy that's applying the pressure, that's why it's green lights on a diamond tester. DM your
man say, yo, if I die from old age, come on, Central. If
I don't OD or get killed.
Yo, hold on.
Done all that you thought was lose. If I don't OD or get killed by a weapon and die of old age, would they still say that I died as a legend? I'm taking a loss, I don't mind, it's a lesson.
Ooh, man say if I don't OD, I'll get killed by a weapon and die by old age. Would they still say I'm a legend? It's okay, it's a loss. I'll take that loss, but I treat it like a lesson. Yo, come on, I mean, man, that's facts. Most rappers, bro, if they don't get killed by a gun or overdose, you feel me? They ain't really considered a legend. If they die from old age, people wanna disrespect them thing. What I'm talking about? Who? Case in point, Biggie, fucking Tupac, XXXTentacion, fucking cuz from New York, nigga. Cuz from New York, I rock with him. She like the way that I dance, like the way that I move. Come on, bro, that's my nigga. Why the nigga Pop Smoke died, I felt that shit. I was rocking with this nigga heavy. You feel me? But look, all them niggas died from him. Then you got the Juice WRLD. You got the Juice WRLD. You got the freaking white cuz, man, that all died from overdose. You know what I'm saying? You feel me? Mac Miller. You feel me? Like they died from overdose. They all considered legend. All the people that live till like people want to disrespect their legacy. Like for instance, Jay-Z. legend. Well, he didn't die by a weapon or overdose or anything like that. So, you know what I'm saying? Lil Wayne, still legend. You know what I'm saying? Yeah, so it's like, yeah, I see what Central's saying, bro. Come on.
The guy that's applying the pressure, that's why it's green lights on a diamond tester. DM your bitch, I bet she'll reply, they book me.
Wait.
Pressure, that's why it's green lights on a diamond tester.
Hold on.
Man, it's a lesson. I'm the guy that's applying the pressure, that's why it's green lights on a diamond tester. DM your bitch, I bet she'll reply, they book me in LA, they book you in Leicester. This fame ain't shit. I've been the kid since A-Rex's, it was.
Say, I'm applying pressure. That's why I always green light on the diamond tester. If I DM your bitch, but she reply that I they put me in the bitch in Leicester.
COVID mask and latexes, now it's platinum Amexes, shit change. I seen a snippet, I'm really sick.
COVID mask and latexes, no platinum cars and Amexes, shit. Ooh, talk your shit.
Some mute the trailer shit. I'm in Las Vegas watching a Super Bowl, thinking about moving to Taylor Swift. I don't need to go to the bank for a loan. Accountant said my accounts look great, I can spend every day and the cash won't go. Being OT so long that my accent changed. Something girl, you alright? Corporate voice when I ask.
Man say I need to apply for a loan. Money good, money so good. My bank tell me I can spend a lot of day and the cash won't go. I be on OT so much that my accent changed, nigga. Huh? Come on, bro.
Answer the phone, left wrist swollen, covered in ice. You would have thought that I fractured a bone.
Left wrist frozen, covered in ice. You think I would have fractured a bone, nigga? Central spitting, come on, bro.
Now my rent is 18,000. The UK's most famous writers probably.
Bro, your rent is 18,000, bro. You wildin', cuz. You wildin', nigga. You wildin', cuz. Right, let me get 4 of that, and I can hook you up with something even better than what you got right now, cuz. You don't need all that shit. You don't need all that shit, bro. You feel me? Give me 4 for one month. Give me that 4, and then I can get you something you can only pay 14 for, bro. I'm saving you $4,000 a month. Just gonna slide me that over. You know what I'm saying?
After JK Rowling, made 10M off my debut album. Label don't even care how it sounded. Tell them that we don't need A&Rs, I'll do it myself and make it without. On 23 I was paying my homie.
I'm up, mate. $1 million off my first album. Label didn't even care how it's sounding. And say, yo, then you mean, alright, that's okay. I'll make it without it. Come on.
Now I need them to give me my flowers. While I'm alive, bro, give me my props. A lot of man washed, I can see they're sour. We celebrate wins like sentences, bro. Fresh out the bin, get a champagne shower. We're not on the block no more, we're in mansions.
Celebrate wins like sentence. Come on.
Bro, lay off the gang thing now, it's mad. I grew where the pagans live. It's a love-hate relationship. I was gone, went away for a bit, and now I'm back like, wait a minute, I'm back. UK rap ain't dead, I mean some guys are, but I don't relate. Live Nation can vouch, I'm paid, they get.
Come on, it's not essential. You snapping, come on, dog. Come on. You snapping, Maggie, come on.
Yeah, I'm just to go on stage. Please don't panic, we need another one, DJ Khaled. It's under control cause Steve will manage. If I was them I would feel embarrassed. What they do in London, I do in Paris. When they had the
come on, man. Come on, Central, my G.
I had a Yaris, I'm a savage, I got no manners. I quickly overlap all of these rappers. But shout out the UK talent, I'm the reason the UK valid.
Flying and snapping on y'all while drinking tea, bro. Shout out to Central, bro. Keeping it, yeah, bro. Keeping it.
Girls from the USA cause I already fucked with these UK badders.
Easy. Big up Central. Yeah, man, long time listening to Central C, bro. I rock with cuz, bro. I've been listening to this man since the beginning of his song. Another song called Ruby. What was the other one? What was my favorite Central C song? And he's trying to make it and stuff, bro. Damn, I gotta get better with these names, bro. You know what I'm saying? But yeah, man, big up Central C, but nigga snapping, bro. You feel me? The last song we reacted to was Starlight with him and Dave. You see me? So it's good to see him back active. I gotta check out his music if he's been dropping, because he hasn't been dropping regularly, bro. Because I barely see him pop up. You know what I'm saying? But so Central C, man, coming back with his banger freestyle. That boy looking like he been living life. He's spitting. You know what I'm saying? That boy, he went in. Let me know, gang. Rate this freestyle 1 through 10. 1 being the least, 10 being the best. Rate this freestyle. Drop your comments about your favorite part, favorite line. You know what I'm saying? Yeah. Man Sniper, let me know in the comment section, gang. You already know what time it is. It's your boy Jambisco. Let's talk over, let's chop it up. The next time, gang. You already know what time. Take care of yourself and each other. Love you guys. I'm out.
On a play me DJ, I wanna rap. I'm a blood clot DJ, I'm a shot a selector.